Hear my hope, let it echo in every soul that needs something to believe. Take my hand, never let go. Even one soft sound can shake the hardest ground. And even if we die striving to find the peace we lost, at least we'll know we tried, didn't stand by with fingers crossed. Raise your voice, light the fire, till our hopes and fears reached 1,000,000,000 ears. Lend your breath, join the choir, let the music spand for this broken land. And many years from now, if any lives to hear this song, a story about how all hands joined hands to sing along. It begins with just one note, till the candle till the end, no matter what it takes to stay afloat. Hear my hope.
I can't hold it much longer.
We got you.
We need to be stronger.
We've done all we can, there's no way.
No
Don't have to
way.
sigh for that. It's okay.
You let's risk your life for souls that heaven chose to kill. We cannot just stand by, it's time to match the strength of will. Hear my hopes, let it echo. Every soul that needs something to believe. Take my hand, never let go. Even one soft sound can shake the hardest ground. I hope, let it thunder across this primal ring, till every soul sings. Take my hand, let it thunder. The perfect harmony can change your destiny. And many years from now, when Ellie lives to hear this song, a story about how we'll held together we are strong. We begin with just one note, till we stand till the end, no matter what it takes. Hear my hope. Woo!